reflexive is just a technical thing. What happens when you look in the mirror?
It's a reflection.
You see yourself. Have you changed any?
A little bit.
Unfortunately, when I look in the mirror, I see the exact same thing. So that's what reflexive does. A plus B equals A plus B. 3 equals 3. Does 3 equal 3? Mm-hmm. And technically, that's reflexive. Ooh. Something's equal to itself. Now, what's number 10? Symmetric. Now, see, that drives me crazy when I see this written. Why? Why would that drive me crazy?
Because
it's turned around, right? I like it like this. Now, what did I do between here and here? I picked it up, put it on the other side of the equals mark. Picked the 10 up, put it on the other side of the equals mark. So I changed it around the equals mark, and that's called symmetric. If 25 equals 2x plus 8, then what? How can I change it?
2x plus 8 25.
Good. You pick this up, put it over here. You pick this up, put it over there. That's all you've done. Now, a lot of people will look at this on a quiz and they'll put commutative. And then I have to say it wrong. Why is that not commutative?
Because it's not switching places.
With what?
The other side. Oh, no, I don't know.
Well, commutative is the order property. No, associative is the parentheses. Commutative is the order property for addition and multiplication, right? I didn't switch my addition around. 2x plus 8, 2x plus 8. I didn't switch any addition around. All I did was pick it up, put it on the other side of the equals mark, pick it up, put it on the other side of the equals mark. That's symmetric. Okay? Now the next one is what? Transitive? Yeah. Okay. Think about, for transitive, getting rid of the middle guy. And I'm going to put that in quotes, middle guy. If okay. Now, here's my middle guy there. Who's my middle guy?
8.
No,
okay.
8's not in the middle.
Okay.
Plus.
We should have That's the middle guy, right? Is that the middle guy? Yeah. Get rid of it. What's left over?
A plus B.
A plus B equals 8. That's transitive. You get rid of the middle guy. Okay? Now, if I say I've got the same amount of money as he's got, and he's got the same amount of money as my friend choice C over here has.
So all three?
Okay? So what do you know about me and choice C?
That y'all have the same amount of money?
We have the same amount of money. We got rid of the middle guy. No offense.
He's no
Okay.
useful to you.
We got rid of the middle guy. And that's transitive. You get rid of the middle guy. Okay, what's next on your sheet? Substitution. What did I do? What did I do between here and here? Equals. But what did I change? From right here to right here. Huh? I worked it out.
Worked it out.
Yeah. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So I substituted in a 5 for 7 minus 2. Okay? It's like basketball. If you substitute players, you put equal players in for other players, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. This technically could be substitution. If this is equal to m plus c, right? Wherever I see m plus c, I can put that. I see it right there. So I can put a plus b right there. And I did. A plus b equals 8. But could this be that?
No.
So when in doubt, put substitution.
When in doubt, substitution.
Yeah, when in doubt, substitute. Now, at the very end of this little sheet is a great problem to work out, and it's a lot like what you're going to see on the SOL. So, and this one incorporates a lot of the properties really good. One thing I want to remind you of before we do it, though, thanks for letting me borrow your thing here.
No problem.
If you have this, what's another way to write this? I was real impressed last block, so I did it. Huh?
0.
Well, it does give me 0,
Or 1.
but that's 4 plus what?
0.
1.
1.
-4.
-4, good.
What?
That and that mean the same thing. Everybody okay with that? Just remember the rule, you change subtraction to addition and you take opposite of the next, so they're the same thing. 4 minus 4 is the same thing as 4 plus -4. Okay. So they give us this. What did they change from here to here? They did the exponent. 3 squared was 9. So that's substitution. They worked it out. Now, what did they change from here to here?
They
Yeah,
did
zero
whatever's in the
probably.
parentheses.
They did what was in the parentheses.
9
But
minus
why? But why can they do that?
0.
Because they.
Why
Oh,
does
yeah.
that equal that?
Because it a positive plus.
Which
a
property?
negative.
Which property? Additive, inverse. Additive, inverse. If you add two opposites, you get 0. Now, everybody should know this property. What did they change from here to here?
0.
The 0, okay? They said 6 times 0 was 0. Why? They multiplied something by 0 and they got 0.
Multiplicative property there.
Multiplicative property of what?
0.
Of 0. You multiply by 0, you get
0.
Again, I'm gonna, what did they change from here to here?
They did nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
they did. Yeah, that.
Substitution.
They said 2 plus 0 was 2. Why can I add 0 to something and get 2 back?
Because it's identity.
What kind of identity?
Addition.
Additive identity. Good job. Very good. Now, remember, this is the same thing as this. Why can they go from this to this?
What?
Hold on a second. You're blocking my screen. Hold on one second.
Because they're adding a negative.
Yeah.
MPOD.
Okay?
MPOD. Property
Why
zero.
can you add
Good
2
way to
plus
abbreviate
negative
it.
2 and get 0?
Because
Impulse.
it's
Additive, inverse, good. Additive inverse says you can add opposites and get what? Add opposites and get 0. That's action packed. a good one. Not all of them are that good. Now, I have a worksheet for you. Yay! With properties. So now you can stop. I feel like I'm bossing you around.
Do you want to say a few things before I stop?